range anxiety, the fear of not being able to make it to your destination in an EV. The fear is real for new EV owners or people looking to purchase an electric vehicle. But with hundreds of thousands of EVs on the road today, there has to be a way to get over range anxiety, right? Absolutely. Stay tuned to figure out how to conquer your fear. Hello, I'm Katie. My husband Steve and I are an all EV household and love adventuring in our Rivian R1T and Ford Lightning, which is why we started this channel. We share our adventures, tips and tricks for living with an EV, and love helping people start their journey into electrification. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can join us. And now that you're subscribed, it's time to tackle range anxiety. The first way to ease your range anxiety is to know your route and the chargers you will visit. Riding off into the sunset without planning your route can really cause undue stress. We're still in the relatively early phases of EV adoption, which means chargers aren't as prevalent as gas stations. You'll need to check your route to find convenient chargers and be sure you have all the charging you need to reach your destination. We recommend PlugShare and Google Maps for finding chargers along your route. When you're new to electric vehicles, we highly recommend having a backup plan on your road trips. You probably won't need it, but it can provide peace of mind knowing you have an alternative option if something does go wrong. We recommend looking for a charger somewhere in the middle of each stretch of your trip, just in case you're losing charge faster than you anticipated. That way, you know you won't be stuck on the side of the road and that you have a place to stop and top off if needed. We also recommend looking for other charging options near the stations you plan to use. This way, if you reach a charger and it isn't working properly, you don't have to panic looking for another one. You know there's one nearby and that you can make it to that charger. Nothing kills your range like speed. Many EVs on the road today have more than enough range to make it from charger to charger on road trips. However, if you're worried about range, start at the slowest speed you feel comfortable driving, then bump up your speed if you have plenty of juice left as you're driving. You can always speed up, but you can't gain back energy you've already used. All that being said, you're probably never going to need to use these tips. Your car's navigation and instrument panel is doing a relatively good job of giving you accurate information, just like it does in a gas or diesel vehicle. So listen to what your car is telling you, and you should be good to go. But if you're looking for a little added convenience, charge just a bit extra and give yourself a bumper. What worries do you have about driving in an EV? Or what tips do you have for new EV drivers? Leave them in the comments below. We love creating community around EV adventures, and the comments is an awesome place to help each other out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.